SDI Renaissance or Renaissance rebirth, right? So we're going through we've been going through a long, dark, collective dark night of the soul for 9 months. But spring is the time of renewal. Spring is the time of rebirth. So this is really an opportunity for us to reawaken and rebirth ourselves and reinvigorate ourselves at this conference, because life goes on, and we're in a cycle. This year you have a really immersive opportunity. Typically you get 4 workshops. This year you're going to get more than 30 workshops spread out over 6 days, along with all of our keynote speakers who run the gamut. So we have Richard Rohr, and we have Sister Joan and Roshi Joan and Adam Bucko and Mirabai Starr and Dr. Barbara Holmes. This is a very rich set of offerings from across the field, across the board. Lots of viewpoints, lots of perspectives on spiritual companionship and spiritual direction. We have Jungian perspectives. We have Hindu and Buddhist and Christian and Jewish and Muslim and all eco-spiritual and all sorts of different lenses. We're going to explore dream work. We're going to explore play and art. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us to learn, to be in community with each other, to share, to laugh together, to cry together, to come together. You'll be able to communicate with other participants. You'll be able to chat with them, get together with them in ways that were very difficult before. You can be in community with everyone else, even if you are doing it asynchronously. We're all here in spirit, and we really look forward to seeing people from around the world join us.